Question number 1. A new year renews. A. Limits. B. Energy. C. Fears. Option B is the right answer. Question number 2. Patience grows with A. Time. B. Anger. C. Speed. Option A is the right answer. Welcome to English Grammar Pro. English Grammar Test. Each question takes 5 seconds. If you pass this test, your English is amazing. Let's get started. Good luck. Question number 3. Success needs daily A. Effort. B. Luck. C. Noise. Option A is the right answer. Question number 4. The year begins with A. Doubt. B. Regret. C. Hope. Option C is the right answer. Question number 5. New year brings chances to life. A. Forget. B. Improve. C. Repeat. Option B is the right answer. Question number 6. Growth takes strong. A. Roots. B. Winds. C. Waves. Option A is the right answer. Question number 7. January 1st is a public. In the UK. A. Exam. B. Workday. C. Holiday. Option C is the right answer. Question number 8. He's responsible. Safety. A. With. B. To. C. For. Option C is the right answer. Question number 9. The New Year countdown builds. A. Fear. B. Excitement. C. Boredom. Write your answer in the comment. Question number 10. New Year's Eve in the UK is called A. Snow Day. B. Winter Day. C. Hogmanay. Option C is the right answer. Question number 11. We smiled. Relief. A. With. B. By. C. At. Option A is the right answer. Question number 12. I'll finish it. Friday. A. Until. B. By. C. During. Option B is the right answer. Question number 13. The year 2026. Begun. A. Have. B. Has. C. Is. Option B is the right answer. Question number 14. We. Welcome 2026. A. Will. B. Have. C. Are. Option A is the right answer. Question number 15. People. Planning goals for 2026. A. Was. B. Is. C. Are. Option C is the right answer. Question number 16. They made resolutions for 2026. A. Has. B. Have. C. Are. Write your answer in the comment. Question number 17. Everyone. Their goals seriously. A. Takes. B. Take. C. Taking. Option A is the right answer. Question number 18. We. Working on ourselves all year. A. Have been. B. Are. C. Will. Option A is the right answer. Question number 19. She promised she never quit. A. Has. B. Does. C. Would. Option C is the right answer. Question number 20. They stayed hopeful. The past year was hard. A. Because. B. Unless. C. Although. Option C is the right answer. Question number 21. She acts. She controls her future. A. Unless. B. As if. C. So. Option B is the right answer. Question number 22. You set realistic goals for 2026. A. Were. B. Have. C. Are. Option B is the right answer. Question number 23. Everyone. Mistakes while learning. A. Make. B. Makes. C. Making. Write your answer in the comment. Question number 24. New Year in Japan is called A. Oshogatsu. B. Hanami. C. Tanabata. Option A is the right answer. Question number 25. I heard someone A. Shouts. B. Shout. C. Shouting. Option C is the right answer. Question number 26. She looked upset. A. Extreme. B. Extremely. C. Extremity. Option B is the right answer. Question number 27. We met chance. A, in, B, with, C, by. Option C is the right answer. Question number 28. Charlotte smiled. She felt sad. A, whereas. B, even though. C, despite. Option B is the right answer. Question number 29. He turned. The offer. A, down. B, up. C, out. Option A is the right answer. Question number 30. She kept. Questions. A, asked. B, ask. C, asking. Write your answer in the comment. Question number 31. New Year celebrations often include music and A, dancing, B, homework, C, reading. Option A is the right answer. Question number 32. People often make New Year. In Canada, A, exams, B, resolutions, C, games. Option B is the right answer. Question number 33. New Year symbolizes purity and, in Japan, A, noise, B, fear, C, renewal. Option C is the right answer. Question number 34. She. Not realized her growth yet. A, has. B, was. C, will. Option A is the right answer. Question number 35. I don't feel. Going out. A, as. B, like. C, to. Option B is the right answer. Question number 36. Hard work matters more. Luck. A, with. B, from. C, than. Option C is the right answer. Question number 37. He behaves. Success is guaranteed. A, as though. B, even if. C, unless. Option A is the right answer. Question number 38. I learned valuable lessons in 2025. A, was. B, have. C, has. Write your answer in the comment. Question number 39. They celebrated quietly. Others slept. A, yet. B, unless. C, while. Option C is the right answer. Question number 40. Everyone accountable for their goals. A is, B are, C were. Option A is the right answer. Question number 41. He failed. Trying. A, so. B, despite. C, although. Option B is the right answer. Question number 42. The human skeleton has about bones. A, 206. B, 230. C, 180. Option A is the right answer. Question number 43. The movement of Earth around the Sun is called A, orbiting, B, rotation, C, revolution. Option C is the right answer. Question number 44. A year with 366 days is called a year. A, long. B, leap. C, solar. Option B is the right answer. Question number 45. Animals active at night are called A, nocturnal, B, wild, C, rare. Write your answer in the comment. Question number 46. The device used to see very small objects is A, camera, B, telescope, C, microscope. Option C is the right answer. Question number 47. By now, he changed his routine. A, have. B, has. C, is. Option B is the right answer. Question number 48. She asked. Plans I made for 2026. A, what? B, whose? C, whom? Option A is the right answer. Question number 49. He would succeed. He stayed consistent. A, unless. B, if. C, although. Option B is the right answer. Question number 50. Success comes. Effort meets patience. A, though. B, unless. C, when. Option C is the right answer.